Hi, I'm Joel Omondi. Welcome to today's presentation where we are going to briefly look into the world of entomology with them, both the negative and the positive ones. But I want to bring into your general knowledge that insects are the most diverse on Earth, and they have a significant role for the human survival on Earth. Worldwide, there are 900,000 species that have been named, and this represents to 80% of the world species. Authorities agree that science has not described more insect species than the ones that have been named, and this represents 2 to 30 million species according to conservatives. Insects have the largest biomass of the terrestrial animals, and it is estimated that at any given time there are quintillion individual insects alive. 10 quintillion. Do that math. And because of their diversity, insects are very important in ecological role, influence on agriculture, human health, and natural resources. They have been central to many advances in science, and they create the biological foundation for all terrestrial ecosystem. Insects suck on nutrients. They pollinate plants. Insects disperse seeds. They maintain the soil structure and fertility. Insects control population of other organisms. Insects provide food source for other taxa. This is how significant these creatures are. A threat to their extinction is a threat to the extinction of human life on Earth. Narrowing down to human health, insects are agents of disease transmission. They are vectors. They transmit viral diseases like chikungunya. They transmit bacterial infections like the Lyme disease, plague. Insects are agents of protozoan disease transmissions like malaria, filariasis, leishmania, chikungunya, etc. Maybe if I may ask this rhetorical question, that which insect is your worst enemy? Mosquitoes, sassafly, kissing bugs, assassin caterpillars, you know best. But what I want to introduce to you is none other than one of the insects that has become to be a bothering and psychologically torturing, with both the socio-economic and health effects on man, and this is none other than bedbug, that scientists refer to as Cimex lectularius. And to know more about bedbug, where to find them, what causes their skyrocketing rise in population, how they move from country to country, continent to continent, and how to handle and even eliminate their infestation. Every household can't afford to miss this masterpiece book of the century, the blood-sucking monster book. We'll be discussing this book in a series of chapter by chapter for some duration. I therefore recommend that you download your copy on Amazon. It is available on ebook as well as the paperback. Please download your copy so that as we go chapter by chapter, you'll have your copy. We'll be exploring on what is bedbug. I welcome you into this series of chapter by chapter study. Thank you.